Right now we're having a thunderstorm. Did you guys hear that? Did you? You would have heard that. You guys definitely heard that, I think. If you guys heard that thunder, say yes in the comment section. Don't worry, that's just a plane. So guys, if you guys heard the thunder, say yes in the comments. If didn't, say no in the comments. And guys, we're about to have a thunderstorm because I just heard very loud thunder. Not that loud, but just a little bit of loud thunder. See the clouds. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we're about to have a storm, I think. And, oh, I'm glad that clouds are passing us. See? They're moving that way. I'm so glad. That's just a motorcycle, we've heard it. Oh, sorry. Sorry, I didn't realize there was just looking on this. Is that thunder? Oh guys, I'm so nervous to record this. Well, I'm already recording it. I'm so nervous to stand up here. So guys, the only thing I'm nervous about, I'm on the road. So there's a car coming here, or like a vehicle, whatever. Sorry. So there's a vehicle coming here. I would have to get out of the road. I really want to record the clouds so you guys can see it, the thunder clouds. There's the car coming. There, guys, I passed. Oh, there's another one coming. I just don't want to record it because I don't want to get people on my camera. Safety first, yeah, not the law. No, it's not coming here. So, guys. Alright guys, I think that should be all for today, unless I hear more thunder. And guys, if there's an actual thunder, if we get a terrible thunderstorm, I'll definitely record it for you guys. And bye-bye. Peace.